Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our finals week of English 235. You've made it! Hooray! Celebrate, pat yourself on the back, do a little happy dance, whatever makes you feel good on the inside, because you are almost done, guys. You've done some incredibly excellent work so far this quarter, and I know it's been a challenging quarter, and yet you have persisted, you have demonstrated grit. You have done an incredible job of overcoming every hurdle that's come your way to complete assignments, to do them at a high level of quality, and to get them turned in on time. So congratulations, kudos, you are almost there. This week we are going to be turning in our recommendation report, which is the final big thing we're doing in this class. It is worth double the points of all of your other assignments. You'll note that it's worth 200 points. All the other ones are just 100 points. So it really is worth investing some time in. Really proofread it carefully. Make sure it's got all the required elements. If you want to open up your completed recommendation report in like a Word doc on one side of your screen and open up the grading rubric on the other side, might be a good idea to just scroll down and make sure you can check all those boxes. Every element is present. Everything is clear. All that good stuff so that we can get you some really solid grades on this recommendation report. You can also always take your recommendation report to the online writing center with CBC. It is worth extra credit points, and your project gets reviewed by another person and you get some additional revision feedback, which is always excellent. So that's always an option. Email me your feedback comments from your reviewer at the Writing Center, and I will enter 10 points of extra credit for you in the gradebook. And then that wraps up our time, guys. Final grades are due to the administration on the 14th, so I will be grading like a mad woman this week, and over specifically Thursday and Friday. Ideally, my plan is to have all of your grades updated by Saturday the 12th, so that if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Saturday and Sunday before I have to turn in those final grades on Monday. So that's the plan. Fingers crossed, knock on wood, I should have them all done by Saturday. If any questions come up, please reach out, shoot me a message, send me an email. I'm here to help you guys as we make this final push to the end. It truly has been a pleasure and a privilege to be your instructor this quarter. I'm so incredibly proud of all you've accomplished and so incredibly grateful for all of your hard work. So keep it up. We're almost there. Have a great week, guys, and a very, very wonderful Christmas break. Reach out if you've got questions. I'll talk to you soon.